Hello and welcome to How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to move a WordPress website to a new server, and you can do it easily with a free WordPress plugin. So here's the example right here. This is my site, and here inside of my WordPress dashboard, go ahead and go to plugins, add new, search for a plugin called WP Migration, and here it is. This is the all-in-one WP Migration. It is free. Click on install now. So activate it. So before you move a website, I highly recommend deleting any of your spam comments or unused media files or these unused plugins. So go ahead and just delete them. So I have a few inactive ones right here. I'm going to just select all and delete because it takes up space to back up these and then move them to another server when you don't really use them. So I highly recommend going through your plugins and your themes. If you're not using them, delete it before you start the move. Okay, after deleting your unneeded files, go to all-in-one WP Migration menu item right here. Click on Export, and here you will see Export to. You don't need to mess around with up here. Just click on Export to File, and there it is. It will start preparing the export, and this plugin will export all of your media files, your plugins, your theme, your database, and it fairly works fast. Your website should be under 500 megabytes. Otherwise, this plugin may require a premium subscription or a premium payment. And you can always move your website. If you have a big website, you can move it easily also with a cPanel, but it does take a little bit more work. And I have video tutorials on how to transfer a website, any website, whether WordPress or any site, forums, whatever, can be done with cPanel, and the link is down below. Okay, my website is only 291 megabytes, so let's download right here. Okay, once you're done downloading your backup, go to your domain registration account. It could be from GoDaddy, Namecheap, or whatever. I'm from Dynadot. This is where my website or my domain is located at. And go to your name servers. Now you can change to the new hosting account. So depending on where your domain is at, go find where it says DNS or name servers and just switch to your new name servers. And you can ask your hosting provider for assistance if needed. And let's save the name servers. So these are my new hosting servers. So once you set this, your website can take about a couple hours before you can visit your domain, and it will be shown at the new hosting server. Okay guys, the next step is to log into your new cPanel account with your new hosting server, and you will need to install WordPress again. Just quickly install with their Subtaculous app installer or whatever tool they're using. Just install WordPress and just install now. Make sure you set the right directory. If you want the root or the main domain right there, delete that. Now set your admin username and password. You don't need to worry about the site name, site description. Just do a quick dummy WordPress installation, because when you import your original site, it will overwrite everything anyways. And go all the way down and click on install. Okay, there it is. It is done. Go to your new WP admin. Alright, here is my brand new WordPress installation. Let's go to plugin and then install the same WP migration plugin. Alright, once that's installed and activated, go back to all-in-one and let me zoom in a little bit. Right here, click on import. Now import from your backup, select file and navigate to the WordPress backup file and click open, and now it will start the import. This can take a couple minutes and hopefully all goes well. And in the import process, it will overwrite your current brand new website, so go ahead and click on proceed. Okay, if you see this, congratulations, you have just imported successfully. And the last thing to do is make sure to check your permalink structure to make sure it is what you want it to be with the link structures. So here's my permalink settings. I always use the post name, so it looks like this. And this plugin already imports all my settings and everything, so there's nothing to change here really. So go ahead and just click finish, and that's pretty much it. My site is now imported and transferred to my new hosting server, and I hope yours was successful as well. Let me know if you have any questions, and if you run into problems, just let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more tips and tricks on using WordPress. Thanks again, and happy blogging.